How to add the Books and Audiobooks widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Then tap on Edit. Next, from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Now in here, we scroll down and then tap on Books. Next in here, you can swipe across to select a different widget size. So here we've got a small size, medium size, and a larger size. So select a widget size and then tap on Add Widget, and then it will get added to your home screen. Now you can also resize your widget in here by dragging on the handle at the bottom corner like that. And then tap on Done to finish. And that is how you can add the book or audiobooks widget to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.